Where'd you pop up from? I've been looking for a bird like you for ages, mate. You know why I am?
Looking for some English guy.
Kent Paul. Kent Paul, mate. Yeah, I'm the governor around here. I'll sort things out. You know what I mean? I'll treat you. Whatever you want,
Da
I'll
li
get
lik
you.
živi u
Don't you worry
ovom
about a thing.
You're
kafiću?
lost, honey.
Wait.
You Ken Paul? I'm a friend of Rosenberg's.
Rosenberg. Oh, that bonkers ambulance chaser. That guy could defend an innocent man all the way to death row. Get another drink, bruv.
Everybody's a comedian. Listen to me. I'm missing 20 keys and a lot of cash.
Drugs, mate? It's a mug's game.
What do you know about it?
Wait, well, what I was coming to was, there's some chef come trumpet shifter who deals at kitchen of a hotel on Ocean Drive. He's been looking real pleased with himself lately. You could go and check him out.
I will. And I'll be seeing you around.
O da, hoćemo, vidjet ćemo
Yeah,
se.
that's right, go and walk away, you mug. I knock you spark out. Give me a drink. And where's that slut?
Trebamo ženska podrška. Šta da radi čovjek? To mu je život. Da. Ima svoje kurve. Jebik. Tako mi je život. Evo, sad ću da ga ubijem. Ajde.
Hey, what you looking at? You better start talking. Hey, make me, you prick.
Ajde. To. O, sad imamo telefon. Sve se umorio, brat.
Oh, way to go, tough guy.
Evo ga pilot.
Beat him to
Pilot.
a pulp. That should make him real chatty.
You want some
Iz
too?
onog
Hey,
helikoptera.
chill. I want what you want, brother.
Oh, yeah? And what's that?
Your green and my dead brother's white lady. Unfortunately, you just silenced our lead.
Accidents happen. Get lost.
Hey, whoa. No need to go all long range on my ass. The way I see it, we two hombres in a strange town. We need to watch each other's back.
My back's just fine, brother.
You sure about that?
Pogledaj pa me.
Here, take this. Follow me. This way.
O, ima čata, ovo je bolje. Ovo je bolje. Ja mislim. Jel ovdje? Ne. Još.
Save the cheap sales pitch.
Ovo je bolje. Odlično.
One thing you gotta
Sad
realize
jel
about
baš
this
idemo u
town, we
hotel
gotta
ili?
pack some heat. The local gun shop is a couple of blocks
A,
away.
idemo u ovo. A, ne.
And if you're listening out there,
Idemo u
Shabazz,
ovu,
you
kako
best
se
let
zove.
the killer out of the dog.
Prodavnicu pištolja.
Guns means
Ammunition.
ready to freak on your squeak box, baby.
Šta ima na radio? Ovo nije loš. Na. Šalim se. Nikada mi pevanje nije išlo. Dobra pesma. Dobra pesma. Ovdje ima pištolj. Ima ovaj, kako se zove, ima puška. Ima ona veća puška. I ima ovaj armor ili kako se zove. Au, ima i u drugom, ima i u drugom delu grada mnogo bolje. Koji ima mnogo bolje oružja i veći i više. Ima snajpera, mislim što da. A snajper je izuzetno bitan ovdje. U jednoj misiji kasnije vidjet ćemo koji. Koji nikad nisam uspio da pređem, ali jedan mi je falno. E da, ja sam inače u ovoj igrici stigao do neke 30. misije. Nisam nikad prešao na misiju da treba da spasem ovog lika.
I'm gonna go see what I can dig up. I'll be watching you, Tommy.
Sad ćemo mi kao neki ortaci negdje, tu nešto. I $200 smo dobili, ne znam ko nam je dao to, što je. Da sejvujemo ovdje. I sad idemo opet.
Share alike, my friend.
Sad idemo na... Ne, hoću. Gdje je... V-Rock. Evo. Odlično. Baš pravi rocker, to mi se sviđa. To mi se sviđa kao Rammstein. A ne znam ovoj kiši, zašto kad pada kiša i nama se pojavljaju ovi balončići. Evo nam ga auto. Ko nas zove?
Hey, Leo, I think we got a buyer for Diaz's merchandise. Gotta give him a ring, man. Set up the deal, you know?
Where are you now?
You okay, Leo? You sound kinda different.
Just tell me where you are.
Who the hell is this? Put Leo on, man.
Leo's gone away for a while. He left me in charge.
Screw you, man.
Screw you on. Šta je ovo?
Oh, for God's sake!
A jadan čovjek je spao.
Jeez, I'm gonna need new pants. Hey, those psychos from up north, they've been on the horn, and they're coming down here soon. Now where is the goddamn money?
Relax. We're not at that part yet.
Oh, I thought that you were taking care of this. I really did. And now those Guidos say we gotta do them a favor.
You mean I gotta do him a favor?
Oh, of course that's what I mean. Do I look like I can intimidate a jury? I couldn't intimidate a child, and believe me, I've tried. Now look, it's either that or Forelli's cousin Giorgio gets 5 years for fraud. You gotta take these guys out.
I understand. Help the jury change their minds. Don't worry about it.
No! I tried that. The jury case didn't go so well. So make them change their minds.
Znači.
Alright, more crap to wipe up. What did I do wrong in a past life?
Ta rečenica mi se najviše sviđa. Whether they do bad in the past life. Daj, sad moramo sraniti.
Florida, moron.
Čaj, ne znam, sad ne mogu na chat. Ne mogu ništa. Izgleda da će nam malo trebati. Sad, ovima kao nešto malo. Gledaj toto, gledaj. Aj, uzet ću ovaj. Ne. Dobra, aj taj ću, teo sam stari. Naš bivši, jel? Jel ovo rock? Jes. Imaju dobru muziku. Baš osjećam nešto kad slušam ovu muziku. Šalim se. Ova, moša. Šalim se. Evo je pizzerija, tražio sam. Smash. Ajde. Ajde, udaraj taj auto.